Hi student, my name is Katie teacher and I'm taking Sanskrit subject. Okay, before start the subject, I want to tell you about some important things about Sanskrit language. Whatever we have learned about our country, it's traditional, has come from the primary language of India, and India primary language is Sanskrit. It is the language of India which tells us about Vedic period and civilization. Sanskrit grammar. Sanskrit grammar is so great that no other language can match up. Sanskrit is the language of Hindu and Buddhist chant and hymns as well. Today, only about 1% of population of India speaks Sanskrit, and the names come from the root word Sam or Sakar, means to put together or compose. Okay, so these are some important things that we have to know about Sanskrit language. So after this, we're going to start our first chapter in Sanskrit. So you can see our first chapter is Vandana. Vandana means shlok. Okay, I'm going to read first Sanskrit shlok, then I will translate it. So listen, all of you, listen carefully. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Vidyarupena Sanstha Namastashay 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 Namo Namah. And this shlok translation is bowing again to the goddess, exhibited in the form of learning in all animals. So now we will go for second Vandana. Pathami Sanskritam Nityami Vadami Sanskritam Sada. Dhyami Sanskritam Samyuk Vande Sanskritam. So the translation is, second translation is, I always read Sanskrit. I always speak Sanskrit. I meditate Sanskrit well. I bow to the mother Sanskrit language. So our Sanskrit is our mother language. The third one is Subham Karoti Kalyanam Arogya Dhan Samprada Satru Buddhi Vinasham Dip Jyoti Namostatu Te. Do auspicious, well-wishing, health and wealthy, bowing to you of enemies' evil thoughts. The fourth one is Mukkam Karoti Vachal Panduk Lagyate Girim Yukt Kripa Tama Vande Paramatma Madhvam. I bow to the delightful God Sri Vishnu, whose grace make to the dumb speaking and give strength of crossing a mountain to the handicapped. So these are our Sanskrit Vandana that we learn today, and we all have to listen one thing ki who's are taking knowledge, who want to take knowledge, those have to first do Vandana. Our goddess is Saraswati. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much to listen it. Now I am sending you translation. All you have to learn it and understand. So these are 4 translation. Thank you so much everyone.